Hello! Today I'm going to show you how to read Instagram messages without them realizing. Let's start. First, go to the Instagram app. Head towards the chat and start a conversation with your desired contact. To show you, I'm texting my other account. Now I'm switching accounts to show the process. First, you need to swipe down your control panel and disconnect the internet. Also, turn off the Bluetooth. Put your phone on airplane mode. Now quickly open the chat and read messages. Once you're done, go back and open your profile. Now tap on Menu. Go to Settings and Privacy. Hit the Logout button from the bottom. Confirm Logout. Now connect your phone with the internet and disconnect airplane mode. By following this process, you'll be able to read messages on Instagram without them realizing. Give this video a huge like and subscribe to get more helpful videos like this. At Explain Me How, we're solving new problems every day.